Have you ever disrupted the silence of the night with your snoring? If so, you are not alone. Snoring is a common issue that affects many people and their loved ones. In this enlightening video, we will reveal the most effective tips and tricks to stop snoring and reclaim peaceful nights of sleep. Additionally, we invite you to share your own tips and experiences in the comments. Why do we snore? Before addressing solutions, it's essential to understand why we snore in the first place. Snoring occurs when air can't flow unobstructed through the airways connecting the mouth and nose. This causes vibrations in the throat, resulting in the characteristic sound of snoring. Here are a series of tips and tricks you can apply at home to effectively combat snoring. Avoid alcohol and tobacco. Consuming alcohol before bedtime can disrupt your sleep and lead to more frequent snoring, as alcohol tends to keep the mouth open. Similarly, tobacco dries the throat and causes inflammation in the vocal cords, increasing the likelihood of snoring. Avoiding these substances can make a significant difference. Control your weight. Excess weight can exert additional pressure on the airways, making breathing during sleep more difficult. Maintaining a healthy weight can significantly reduce snoring. Additionally, sleeping on your side instead of your back can be helpful in preventing snoring. Treat allergies. People with allergies often experience nasal congestion, forcing them to breathe through their mouths while sleeping. If you suffer from allergies, consult your doctor for medications that relieve nasal congestion and reduce snoring. Use a humidifier. If you are sensitive to dry environments, a humidifier in your room while you sleep can increase moisture and prevent the throat from drying out, helping to reduce snoring. Monitor your posture. Sleeping on your side instead of your back can decrease the intensity and frequency of snoring. Experiment with different positions to find what works best for you. Elevate the head. Keeping your head in a higher position while sleeping can improve airflow through the airways, making you snore less. You can achieve this by using a higher pillow. Establish sleep routines. Maintaining regular sleep schedules helps you get used to sleeping the same number of hours every night. Going to bed too late can result in poor quality sleep and increase the likelihood of snoring. Try certain foods. Consuming a tablespoon of honey or mint and eucalyptus infusions before bed can help relax throat muscles and reduce snoring. Can snoring be eliminated permanently? If it's a persistent problem, it's important to determine its origin. In such cases, it's advisable to consult a healthcare professional. Your trusted dentist can help identify the cause and offer more effective solutions. One such solution is the orthoapnea device. This oral mechanism corrects the position of the jaw, allowing unobstructed airflow through the throat. With this device, you can stop snoring quickly and effectively, improving the quality of your sleep and that of your loved ones sleeping beside you.